What's going on, guys? Man, every time I try to trade YM, I get murdered. I don't know why I don't know how to do it properly. But, yeah, I took a quick trade there on YM. And then I swore a whole bunch, and I decided, you know what? Let's just start this again. let's just new slate. Let's start this again. Um, I was just saying, I've been trying to get long this whole morning. So I like to get long at the bottom of a range. I don't like to get short at the bottom of a range. You're just asking to have something like this happen to you. So I wasn't able to get this long. I tried the YM long instead. I don't know what I'm doing with YM. I'm just going to go ahead and delete YM because it sucks. It's not my fault. It's YM's fault. So, excuse me. So, yeah, just waiting. Now I'm just waiting. This is kind of evidence in my favor that my thesis might be right. We're looking for longs. The only long right now on NQ is right here at 86. So let's go down.
Order submitted.
Right there. 86. Two of them. Are we going to make it back all the way down there? Maybe. Maybe not. So, yeah, we just got to wait. Took a L on, that instrument that doesn't exist anymore. So, holy shit, dude. One tick away from being up a grand right now. That's super cool. And then NQ's just gonna send it without me. I'm so sad. So I can't I can't just chase this, That's not me. ES. ES is struggling way more than NQ. NQ doesn't give a shit at all. So I just want to wait for this candle to close, and then I'll have a setup, one way or the other. I'm still kind of like aiming for long, but if we're at the top of the range now, I could get that short. We'll see. I don't know. Gotta wait for that candle to close. Man, I hate Apex, so I'm on... I'll say it. I don't like Apex is predatory as shit, bro. Like, every time I try to withdraw, I'm met with some bullshit that just increases the chance that I'm gonna blow up. Like, oh, you have to trade for 10 full days and then only request, like, the first half of the month of a withdrawal on certain days that doesn't really even give you enough time if you don't trade every day. Fuck Apex, bro. Sue me. I don't care. They just seem a little predatory. Right? Like, there's so much chance for you to blow up in there and not make any profit. And then they just make money on the churn. So I got rid of that link, the affiliate link. Yeah, I'm not going to endorse that anymore. So I have another account that I'm trading right now. It's on this monitor. It's on Tradeovate, but I love NinjaTrader. Tradeovate's not bad, but I'm qualifying. I just started qualifying for an account on this monitor. The name is BLUSKY. It's in the link below. You don't have to click it if you don't want. You can just check it out. I don't care. You can do whatever you want. I don't really make any money from it. What time is it? 30 seconds. Yeah, there's no withdrawal limits. So you qualify for the evaluation, and then you're moved into a live account after you hit a certain threshold, but it's an actual brokerage account. It's
Order
not like...
filled.
What the fuck just happened? Oh, yes. It's a live account. Holy balls, bro. It's a live account. It's a live brokerage account. You can withdraw the money immediately. So that's why I like them. I like to be able to withdraw gains every day and not blow them up and grow my savings account. Otherwise, it's just unprofitable. it's less likely to be profitable. There's a long setup there on NQ.
Order filled.
Grab that quick. And then sell it into this rip if we get up here to 25. Give me a little more, a little more, a little more, a little more. Yeah.
Order filled.
Okay, nice. Took it off there. And you can withdraw. Holy crap, bro. Look at this thing move.
Order
I'm
submitted.
gonna get one off of here. Bro, NQ is crazy. What was I saying? Yes, live brokerage account.
Order canceled.
And you can withdraw gains immediately every single day if you want. You don't have to wait 10 days, none of that crap. So I use them. I've got an affiliate link with them. I'm not trying to push it necessarily. I make 10%. It's really not much compared to trading. Like, you'd have to 10%, so you'd have to have $4,000 in signups, like, just to make what I made today. I don't really care, but I like them enough to talk about them. So that's what I've done. I've switched to them. I have it on Tradeovate right here, and I might start streaming the Tradeovate screen instead. I think that's where I was leading this conversation, and we can kind of excuse me, we can watch the evaluation process on this account, because I picked up another account towards an account that I already had, or on top of an account I already had, and we can kind of watch that process together. So maybe that'll be fun. Okay, back to trading. So I just wanted to get one out there. What? What do you mean I can't change the order? It's my order, bro. I don't know. Okay. NQ, what's it doing here? Man, I need to reset for a sec. I was talking too much about bullshit. Lost my groove here. So the stop is in for 3 contracts. I guess I can't change that to 2. Cool. That doesn't make any sense at all. That was a really good setup. 5-minute setup right here. I just sold it early. I wanted a quick scalp though, so that pretty much went just as planned. Caught it on the other account as well. Now I'm just chilling with the ES. Maybe ES will do something for me. Maybe not. See what I mean by, like, bottom of the range? It just wants to rip. It doesn't want to to go down any further here. There's shorts covering from this move. There's longs that want to get in at the bottom of the range. It's just a it's a good spot for that to happen. So that's why I chose to be long biased down here. Now, I didn't get the best fill, but it was a pretty good fill. One minute left in this candle. So we might just head higher. We could head all the way up to 15,080 on NQ. Maybe check this when the video is up, how far we got. I mean, we got room to 44.18 on ES. Like, we better start ripping if we're going to do that. Holy crap, dude. NQ. NQ's a beast. Okay. 0.31. Let's try this setup too.
Order submitted.
There's another setup right here. Let's see what happens. There's a 5-minute reversal setup. on ES. I was looking to get one out.
Order submitted.
But I don't know if that's going to happen. NQ doesn't care.
Order filled.
Nice. Okay, so I got one left.
Order canceled.
Let's just put in a manual stop. How do I do this? Stop market. 001 contract.
Order submitted.
We'll put it in profit now. I don't want to give that back. Okay, so now I can forget about that. We'll go over to NQ. I wanna take another scalp on NQ. Maybe we'll have a 5-minute reversal setup right here. At the top of the range, potential top of the range, and I'll be able to take it short. But we got another 3 or 4 minutes now, so I haven't even looked at SPX. Breakup candle. Looking to move higher potentially, or just waiting for the 5-minute 9 to catch up so it can go lower. That was a good exit on that second last contract on ES. Locked in some decent gains for the morning. Yeah, it's kind of cool. This whole I finally looked at the YouTube analytics, and it seems like the videos are popping off again. I don't know why it took so long to frickin' get back into this. I was just trading on my own. I was making like way more money than I'm making now, and I kind of lost my mind, bro. I had to get a job after a big blow up. Like I made like retard money, man. Like in that last bull run on crypto, that was crazy. In some of the daily gains, the overall gains, and then I lost a certain amount that I left in the account, which was also a massive amount. And I told myself I gotta make this back outside of trading before I start trading again. So that's exactly what happened, and here we are. So I didn't care about YouTube, and I let the money get to my head. And the point of this YouTube is not to shill things necessarily. It's to build an audience, and then maybe build a community at some point, or I don't know. I just enjoy it. I think it could be useful to other people and maybe to myself. I don't know exactly how I want to do it, but I know that I want to keep posting videos and just using it as a diary, as a journal, because that's what started this. If you go back, so I don't know, I was crazy in the head, bro. I made all of the videos private. I wanted to delete the channel, didn't delete the channel. Made them all visible again, so you can go back to like the first videos, and it was just a journal. It was just a diary. I was just trying to make like $10 a day, $20 a day, if that. It was so cool to start. So I think those roots is where I need to stay. Make it for a journal, as a diary, a trading journal, and not try to like be this flashy guru frickin' like entertainer, whatever the hell everyone else is doing, right? Like I think the value in this comes from what I just described. So I'm gonna keep it as close to that as I can, because I don't need to monetize this. So, but I'm sure I will at some point. Do you know what I'm saying? Like if I had 100,000 subs, would I monetize it somehow? Even if I'm making this kind of money or more, probably start live streaming or something. Anyways, we'll figure that out. You guys will see if you stick around for another year or however long that takes. Okay, candle's about to close. There's no short setup on NQ until 82.
Order canceled.
82.
Order submitted.
No, that's too...
Order
There
submitted.
we go. It's a wider stop. If I get this trade, this will be sick. And this will take me like all the way back down to 40. This will be a 40-point trade. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. See how it's getting hesitant up here? Made a new high, and then it's... Oh. Maybe that was the entry. ES doesn't care as much. That was almost a 20-point drop right there. And if I had gotten that, I would have covered it into 20 points for sure. I always like to cover in those quick, hard flushes immediately and then look to get a reload. Wait, why are there...
Order canceled. Order submitted.
Okay, maybe it's good I didn't get filled there. ES ripping, NQ dying.
Order canceled.
49.75.
Order submitted.
If the long hits first, I'll play the long for the quick bounce. Yo, what is this ES doing? You gonna take that off?
Order filled.
Right there, 10 points. Nice freaking trade, bro. Look at that. Bottom to top. So that's the top of the range. It could keep going, that's fine. Sick trade. Oh, man. Ugh, excuse me.
Order canceled.
All sorts of short setups in here on ES. We're coming up to one on NQ. I just need a better price, man. It's in no man's land. Which is it going to hit first? The short or the long? And then we have big time frame longs now. The hour's about to close. It'll probably close above this. Above 23. Got a nice long there. And then the best long would be down here at 82 down here. I don't think it'll get that low. It could, but I don't know.
Order filled.
Okay, I got close, close enough to 81 for that short. Now I'm not gonna touch this. I'm gonna stay over here. I'm not gonna add. I'm not gonna. Wait, hold on. Let's. If something crazy happens.
Order submitted.
I'm just gonna chill right here, and we're gonna see what happens together. And I'm gonna go on my phone for a sec. Oh no, we're done. 30 seconds. Let's see how this closes. Even if that 5-minute doesn't close as a reversal setup, I still love the price to get short. It looks like it's going to close as a short setup, but if it doesn't, I still expect it to fail. We've ripped into it. We're in a downtrend. It's the first really good short setup. There it is. It closed. That's the short right there. That's the actual 5-minute short setup. Pretty much where I got in. There, right there. Entry. Now maybe it pushes into 81 as well. Okay, I would expect it to fail now. It found the setup. There it is. Okay. So it fails. Now, is it going to dump, or did it trap those shorts during that mini dump there? That's the question. If I get stopped out of this, I'm done, by the way. You see what I mean? Like, it dumped, and now it's starting to push highs again. Which makes me think it's going to just rip into my stop right now. That's sort of the logic behind this. See? See? Exactly. New highs. It's starting to rip again. It's going to rip right into my stop. And that first initial drop right here was probably the trade that I was looking for. It just didn't hit it. I don't think this is just gonna rip. It shouldn't. It might though. If it gets stopped out, we're done. We're done here, boys. Woo! That was close. It's one tick away from my stop. Okay, now work and make me look like a genius, because I market ordered into that. So if that was like the top and it was one tick from my stop, I'm gonna look super cool. Because I marketed into that with the stop attached, so it was totally arbitrary. Yeah, just make me look like a genius now. Just dump. Don't make a new high. Don't stop me out here.
Order canceled.
Okay, sick. Alright, that's fine. I planned for that. I called the whole thing out. I said it was going to happen. I'm not upset. NQ does not give a fur, bro. So, I'm not going to get in the way of it. I'm not going to long it here. The only spot... So if you're watching this video, the only spot that I would long this now is down here. 15.023, right here, bro. Other than that, I'm done. Peace.